If you are a parent, a sibling, or anyone called to leave this world brighter, kinder, and better than you found it, know this: what you hold in your hands carries the power to change lives. Welcome back to Daily Wisdom Practice. Today is day 28 of our 30-day journey. If this message moves you, like this video. Today, we discover that healing does not end with us. It ripples through generations. Subscribe. Become the one who breaks the cycle for your family. And let's begin. We often assume that our spiritual practices are purely personal. We sit down, close our eyes, and release our stress. But in Ho'oponopono, there is a beautiful, heavy truth. When you cleanse the memory residing in your subconscious mind, you aren't just saving yourself. You are rewriting that code for everyone connected to you. The intense anxieties, financial blocks, and relationship entanglements we face are rarely ours alone. They are our family's old scripts. Today, we clear that data so that the next generation doesn't have to inherit our old problems. What happens to the people you love when you clean your own mind down to absolute zero? Dr. Hugh Lin always explained that the data accumulated in our subconscious mind continues to pass down from generation to generation, much like an unseen inheritance. When you react to problems with fear, anger, or a sense of lack, you accidentally keep that cycle alive for those who look up to you as a role model. But when a trigger hits you internally and you choose to stay silent and clean it, the cycle stops. You act as a spiritual filter. You are doing the hard work of deleting the file today, so your future generations don't have to live it tomorrow. You aren't just creating a better life. You are creating a clean lineage. Let's practice together to become the ultimate cycle breaker for your family. Take a deep, gentle breath. Right where you are. Let your shoulders go completely soft and loosen your jaw. Close your eyes and think of your loved ones, your children, or the future generations who will follow in your footsteps. Feel the responsibility of offering them a blank slate, a fresh start. Gently speak these words from your heart. I take 100% responsibility for the family patterns replaying in my life. I am sorry for passing down any old anxieties, feelings of lack, or anger. Please forgive me for not knowing how to clear this sooner. Thank you for this opportunity to free our entire line. I love you, my family. I love you, my future. The old pattern script ends right here with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I take 100% responsibility for the family patterns replaying in my life. I am sorry for passing down any old anxieties, feelings of lack, or anger. Please forgive me for not knowing how to clear this sooner. Thank you for this opportunity to free our entire line. I love you, my family. I love you, my future. The old pattern script ends right here with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I take 100% responsibility for the family patterns replaying in my life. I am sorry for passing down any old anxieties, feelings of lack, or anger. Please forgive me for not knowing how to clear this sooner. Thank you for this opportunity to free our entire line. I love you, my family. I love you, my future. The old pattern script ends right here with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The greatest gift you can leave behind is a clear and peaceful subconscious mind. Your challenge today is simple. The next time a toxic family habit or a familiar argument arises, do not react out loud. Instead, silently whisper those phrases to heal the entire lineage. If you are ready to claim your generational freedom and break the loop, type "the line is clean" in the comments below. You stayed until the end because your soul was ready for this shift. Share this video with a family member or anyone you love who is trying to break this cycle. Subscribe for day 29. I love you. I thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.